Waking up this early should be illegal. Why am I up and it's still dark outside? I know this shot looks pretty cool, but I'm on this boat for almost an hour and it looks cool, and it is cool, I guess, if you were taking it just one day, but every morning it's too much. Yeah, I catch the sunrise, and of course I have to stop by 7 to get a little coffee and something for breakfast, because by the time I'm here I'm starving. There's no time in the morning, it's still so dark, and I have to get a bike to go get on another boat to cross the big river. It's ridiculous. I'm literally commuting for the longest time ever. But looking at these shots, I just think, oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful, and I'm so grateful every day to see these views, these places. But yeah, I'll be tired. I got to school, mirror check, and I made myself a little coffee that I got from 7. And got the computer started too. Today we had a ceremony for awarding the students, but I still had to make it to my classes, of which I didn't realize that we would have the morning classes cancelled. So I was just in the class, just chilling with the students that didn't go downstairs or that came back earlier. And we were just talking about random stuff, really. This is lunchtime, and I go by this temple every time, and it's so beautiful and so green. I love it. So basically there's a market. I go thanks to the security, because she helped out. She gave me this umbrella. I get to the market. It's still in the day and it's hot, so not everyone is out here, but you can literally find everything in the market. You get your fresh fruit, you get your clothes right at the same time. But I was on my way to look for one of my favorite meals to have, and this is it right here, which basically is rice cooked in chicken fat, I believe, and you can top that with either boiled chicken or fried chicken. Oh yeah, these calves be getting this drink right, because it is so crisp when I have it from here. But I need to be off the Pepsi, because I'm having so much Pepsi. Today I had to stop by this other place, which is also my favorite, by the way, but I had to get someone food from here to bring it back when I go back to school. I love this restaurant. Everyone is just so nice. It's literally at the beginning of the market. Shout out to the school security for giving me this umbrella, because I would be dying. Hi, we are doing a day in my life at school, at work, but I decided I'm not going to film the kids. Just, yeah, I don't know. But they asked, so maybe I will change my mind. So far, I haven't decided. So, yeah, I'll show you around. I just haven't been able to talk much because I don't know. Just shy, I guess. But it's so hot. Watching the graduation, which was so fun because I had never experienced it. We went on to sign some of my students' shirts because they wanted that, and it was time to go home. I have to do this long journey again, so this is me waiting for the boat to cross the river. You can see Wat Arun. You can also see the Grand Palace. It just looks so amazing, honestly. But you can tell I am beat as hell. I'm so tired, and to think that I still have to be on all kinds of transportation is just ridiculous. But I'll take in this beautiful view and keep it moving because I got to get home. The place is so busy where I get off from the first boat because it's very touristic. Like you saw the temple, the palace, it's all right here, so it's always just so filled with tourists. And it's so hot because it's right in the middle of the day and the sun is burning. So I make sure to wear my sunscreen, of course, but I gotta make this little walk, and I saw a birdie, and that's me, just walking before I completely lose the sun. Sometimes if I get early, I can get this beautiful sunset, but sometimes it can. Like today, I came back when it was this dark. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely catch you on the next one.